Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Valentine's chocolates. First, select premium chocolate as its quality significantly impacts the final taste. Tempering is crucial for that professional shine and snap, so don't skip this step. You'll also need a few basic tools, including silicone molds, a double boiler, and a reliable thermometer to ensure precise temperatures. Let's get started on this sweet journey. Tempering might sound complex, but it's quite manageable. Begin by melting your chocolate slowly in a double boiler until it reaches about 115 degrees Fahrenheit for dark chocolate. Next, cool it down to around 82 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring continuously to encourage crystal formation. Finally, gently reheat it to between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready for molding. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, it's time for the fun part, filling and molding. Have your ganache, caramel, or other fillings ready. Pour a thin base layer of tempered chocolate into your clean molds, ensuring even coverage. Then, carefully add a small dollop of your chosen filling. Finish by topping with more chocolate, gently tapping the mold to release any air bubbles. After molding, let your chocolates set undisturbed in a cool, dry environment until they are completely firm. This usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Once set, carefully unmold them. They should pop out easily if tempered correctly. Now, for the final touch, arrange your beautiful homemade Valentine's chocolates in an elegant box or bag. They make a truly heartfelt gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.